Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to have a look at the PrimeXBT Exchange because they just launched their new Covesting Yield Accounts, which means that you right now can stake your cryptocurrency and stablecoins over on the PrimeXBT Exchange. And also in this time we are going towards the end of this bull market. We are seeing the prices of cryptocurrencies increasing day by day, right? And there might be a lot of investors out there who want to take profits during the end of this bull market, and they want to do something with those profits. Some might want to put it into a real estate, but I think the majority of the investors in the crypto markets are thinking to use those profits that they have made during this bull market to stake them, to earn passive income on those profits, and as well to hedge them into US dollar to buy back into crypto once we have seen that correction in the next coming years. Okay, I know it's a little bit far-fetched, but still it's good to right now already secure your options so you know what you are going to do with the profits that you are making during this bull market. So guys, first of all, let's start to have a look at the PrimeXBT Exchange. What is the PrimeXBT Exchange and what is it all offering? Well, first of all, guys, the PrimeXBT Exchange is slightly different than other exchanges that you might know, like Bybit or the Femex platform. On the PrimeXBT Exchange, there are some extra functionalities. So if we go to the margin section right here, then we can see that on the PrimeXBT Exchange, they are offering more than just trading Bitcoin and Ethereum and a variety of altcoins. They are also offering trading regular financial assets like commodities, but also the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. So right here we can see the pairs that PrimeXBT is offering. So we have Cardano against Bitcoin, Cardano against US dollar. That is also something interesting, that they are offering these pairs against Bitcoin as well as against US dollar. Very important, because sometimes you might want to trade a pair against Bitcoin, while sometimes you might want to trade it against US dollar. But here you can see they are already offering quite a lot of cryptocurrencies. We have Dogecoin, Polkadot, EOS, Ethereum, Chainlink, Solana, XRP, and so on. And if we go down right here, we can even see, we can see some forex pairs. We have the Australian dollar against US dollar, for example. If we scroll even below, we can see a euro against US dollar. If we scroll down even more, we can see gold, we can see crude oil, we can see the Nasdaq, S&P 500, and so on. So as you can see right here on the PrimeXBT Exchange, there's a lot of more different trading pairs than what we are seeing on these regular crypto exchanges, and a lot of trading pairs also are coming from the regular financial markets, which might be interesting, right? Some people, they rolled into trading because of crypto, but eventually with trading you can make money, doesn't matter the asset, right? So it's also possible to trade, for example, gold in the S&P 500. There's less volatility, so it could be something that you might like. Then next to having these trading pairs, guys, the PrimeXBT platform is also offering this specific functionality, which is copy trading. And what you basically can do with copy trading is you can copy other traders' strategies, and you can basically earn Bitcoin based on the other person's or other traders' trades. I've made multiple videos on this. I've also copied different traders, and I've posted my results in the videos. You can find them over on my channel. In today's video, we are really going to have a look at the new Covesting Yield Accounts, which are just live. So guys, let's jump into the yield account. So right here, if we go over to the yield section, then we can see right here on the left upper corner the current APY rate. So right now you can see how much what the rate actually is, what you can make on a yearly basis. And right now it's not too high, I have to say that. For Ethereum it's approximately 1%. For US dollar Tether it's slightly below 2%, it's 1.8%. And for USDC it is 4.18%. But these numbers, guys, these are variables. So as you can see right here on the right side, we can see the historical APY rates. Here we can see that this number is actually changing, depending a little bit on the supply and demand. So right here, during the end of October, we have seen that the US dollar Tether APYs was slightly below 7%. And as you can see, this rate is varying, but nevertheless, it's still a positive rate, which you might not get at your bank. And another advantage right here on the PrimeXBT platform is that there is no KYC. So most of the time when you are signing up on these staking platforms like BlockFi and so on, you have to go through a KYC procedure in order to get your account ready, right? But on the PrimeXBT Exchange, you don't have that. So you can basically just deposit your crypto and you can start staking. Then guys, when we scroll down below, then here you have a kind of calculator. Here we can select the currency we want to stake, so we can estimate our returns. So right now we have it set on US dollar Tether. I've deposited some US dollar Tether into my account to show you guys how this works. And so right now, let's say we want to stake US dollar Tether right here on this new Covesting Yield Accounts. We have a amount of $1,500 US. And this is just for illustration purposes only. And let's say we want to stake, for example, for 365 days. Then guys, you can stake your cryptocurrencies and stable coins through different accounts right here. Right now we have a standard account, which means that we will get a APY of 1.80%. If you want to upgrade that account, that is possible. For example, to an advanced account, you would need to own COV tokens. So how does that work? If you want to upgrade your account, you can click right here on upgrade. And that will bring you to the page where you can buy actually COV tokens. And if we scroll down right here, we can actually see how much US dollar we need in COV tokens in order to upgrade our account, but also in order to upgrade our APY number or interest that we can get yearly. So if you want to have an advanced account, you would need to have 3,000 US dollars in COV tokens, and you will get your APY times 1.25. So you will actually earn 25% more than what you would do on a standard account. So depending on the amount that you actually want to stake, it could be a good option to get those COV tokens to get a higher APY. If you want to have a premium account, you would need to have 10,000 US dollars in COV tokens, and you will get a 1.5x on your APY. And if you want to have a elite account, you need to have 50,000 US dollars in COV tokens, and you will get your APY times 2. So that is actually quite interesting, guys. So it definitely brings some advantages in staking if you are a COV token holder. So right here we can also see that the 3.63 is the double of the standard account that we are going to stake or US dollar Tether in right now. So if you want to stake, you go right here, you select the currency, you select the amount. In our case, that is $1,500 US dollars, and we select the duration as well. The duration doesn't really matter too much, as you can cancel it at any time. That is also an advantage of the PrimeXBT Exchange. Your funds are not being locked up for a certain amount of time. No, you are always able to withdraw your funds and to use it, for example, for trading. So that is also an advantage. You can have your funds over on the PrimeXBT Exchange, and a part of your funds you can use for trading. Once you are not using them for trading, you can choose to, for example, maybe copy one of these strategies or use them in a more safer way to earn an income. Use them in the staking platform. So that is actually quite nice. Then we go down below right here and we click on Start Earning. Here we can select the amount that we want to stake. We have a wallet balance of $1,500 US dollars. We do an initial staking amount of $1,500 US dollars. Right here we click on this button, I confirm. and then right here we click on stake. So guys, that brings us to the following page, which is our staking account. Normally you can find that if you go through Yield, and then you go right here on the left side, you go to my account. There you can find all the cryptocurrencies that you are currently staking, which for us is right now $1,500 Tether. But as you can see in the status, right now this is still being activated. And once your staking is active, which takes approximately half a day or 1 day, then we can see right here on the my account the amount of US dollar Tether that we are actually staking, the amount of total equity that it is right now, so plus the earnings of the stakings. Then we can see right here the total amount that we actually have earned and the amount that we have earned today, which is approximately 10 cents. Then guys, if we were to click on this, then we can see that it will bring us to this page, which is basically also showing us the statistics of our stakings, right? So here we can as well see what we have earned today, what we have earned in total when we have opened the staking. And if we scroll down below, we can see the graph right here where we can see the variables in the APY percentage, and down below right here we can even choose to whether we want to add more stable coins, more US dollar Tether to our staking right here, or if we want to close our staking and we want to take out our profits, take out our initial investment, and so we can use it for other purposes, right, to buy Bitcoin or to trade with it. And guys, right now we are going to close our staking right here. So we click on close staking. Right here you have to agree with the above statement, which is saying that the staking will be closed on the next day UTC. So it will take 1 day for you to get your funds. Then right here we can click on confirm. That will bring us to the account page again, which is showing us that the status right now is closing, and which will take approximately 1 day. So you can always take out your stable coins. You can always stop staking your cryptocurrency. You are not, you don't have to lock your crypto for a certain amount of time. So some staking platforms, they want you to lock your crypto for a certain amount of months, a certain amount of years, right? But yeah, right here on the PrimeXBT Exchange, you can just close anytime you want. So guys, that is how you basically stake over on the PrimeXBT Exchange. Right now you can stake Ethereum, US dollar Tether, and USDC. Which might be very interesting for you later down this bull market when you are planning to take profits on the earnings that you got based on your crypto investments, and maybe you want to you have a period where you want to hedge into stable coins and you want to let those stable coins work from you. Then I definitely think PrimeXBT is one of the platforms where you could go to stake your stable coins and earn passive interest on it. Then guys, if you are interested in creating an account over on the PrimeXBT Exchange, the PrimeXBT platform has created a special bonus for all the viewers of the blockchain today, all the viewers right here on the channel. If you sign up on the PrimeXBT platform using my affiliate link down below, guys, you can get a 50% deposit bonus, which you can use for trading. That amount you cannot use for staking, of course. That is just solely for trading. And you will get a 25% discount on your fees forever that you are using PrimeXBT. So guys, if you are interested in that, you can find my affiliate link down below. I hope every single one of you enjoyed this tutorial. If you learned something, guys, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.